What separates the legendary investors from the rest? The secret lies in value investing. Value investing is not just a strategy, it's a philosophy that guides the wise. It's about finding gems in the market, stocks undervalued by the public but rich in potential. Patience is the investor's virtue, waiting for the intrinsic value to emerge triumphantly. Diligence in research, the cornerstone of success, separates speculation from investment. By ignoring market noise, value investors focus on the true worth of a business. History shows us, from Buffett to Graham, that value investing can lead to extraordinary wealth. It's a journey of financial literacy, empowering you to make informed decisions. The market's volatility is not to be feared, but understood as a value investor's playground. Let's break down the complex into the simple, making value investing accessible to all. With each investment, wisdom grows, and so does the potential for your financial independence. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. Join the ranks of those who've mastered the art of value investing for lasting prosperity. Your investment journey begins today. Seize the opportunity to build a legacy of wealth. Embrace the principles of value investing and watch your portfolio thrive over time.